Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to redeem a Google Play gift card. So this is what I did. Okay, you just go to your Play Store, and then once you launch your Play Store, come here to the top right, click on your profile icon, and then you will see payments and subscriptions. Go ahead and tap on that, and here the last option would be redeem a code. Just click on that, and then you just enter your gift card code and then just click on redeem, okay? Or you can go ahead and scan this. So you can click on scan gift card and then just go ahead and center the code and then tap on scan. Of course, you can manually type it in. And once you do, guys, you will see it added to your payment methods. As you can see, I currently have a balance left of about $3.49. Okay, so it actually works. I've done it myself, and it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this helped you out.